words. After, around, away, boy, any, grow, new, old. After, after. The ER in this word is a part of the sound spelling cards. Around, ound, around. The A in this word we need to remember by heart. It's making a short U sound. And the OU in this word is making the ow. OU and OW make the ow sound. Around. Away. Away. The A in this word we need to remember by heart. It's making a short U sound, and the AY in this word is a part of the sound spelling patterns. AY says the letter A. Away, just like in these words. Play, say, and way. This word is away. Boy, oi, boy. The OY in this word is a part of the sound spelling patterns. OY says oi, just like OI. And in these words, joy and toy, this word is boy. Any, E-N-E, any. The A in this word is making a short E sound, and the Y in this word is a part of the sound spelling patterns. That Y at the end of a two-syllable word makes an E sound, any. Grow, G-R-O, grow. The OW in this word is not making the ow sound, but it's making an O sound because the OW is at the end of the word and not in the middle. OW makes an O sound. Grow. New. N-oo. New. EW is a part of our sound spelling patterns. It makes the oo sound. New. An example of this word new is I have a new pencil. But there's also another word, new, K-N-E-W. This word is I knew I forgot my books at home. New. Old, old, old. The O-L in this word we need to remember by heart. Old. If you can read the word old, it can help you read the words sold, cold, fold, and told. This word is old. It's your turn, friends, to read the words on your own. Remember, anytime that I am going too fast, go ahead and pause the video to give yourself more time. That Marty is hanging out on our slides again. What word did you see him on? Any? Good job at paying attention, friends.